Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing episode of Art Whisper 88. This is a shipment from Michael's, one of my favorite vendors for art supplies. And this is a shipment of Liquitex. So here are the list of items, and the unit price with discounts range from $2.16 to $5.16, which I think is very reasonable for acrylic paint in a 4-ounce jar. So here are my goodies. I'm going to start with unbleached titanium, which I use a lot. And this is Basics Acrylic Fluid. So this is a more, I wouldn't say watery, but it's not as thick, it's not as viscous as the acrylic paints that come in tubes. So this I thought would be ideal for gel printing because they would spread quicker on the plate because they're not as thick. This is vivid red orange. I have silver. This will be another exciting color to use. It's a metallic, because I seem to find metallics wake up the composition when you make print. This is light blue permanent. I have a transparent mixing white. Now I want to experiment with this, what kind of effects I can get with a transparent mixing white. I'm assuming this would create a range of pastel colors. And here is iridescent white, kind of like a pearly shiny white, which would also create interesting mixes. Is Hooker's green, hue permanent, kind of like a rich dark green. This is phthalocyanine blue, which more widely known as phthalo blue, and I use this a lot. Here is cadmium red, medium. So that takes care of the red. This is gold. Now this is a brighter, almost like a bright yellow. And I noticed that different companies, different makers of acrylic have different kinds of gold. This one is on the lighter, bright side. Here is ultramarine blue. Okay, these are very similar. Phthalo blue and ultramarine. They seem to be very close, but I think once they're on the paper, you will see the difference. And finally, this is iridescent graphite. It's another exciting color that I like using instead of black. So Here is my haul for this morning. I thought I'd share this with you. This is a new product that I haven't tried before, and it's very reasonably priced. And I thought to myself, why not? Because I need backup when the tube acrylics are not enough. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and thank you for watching and subscribing, and thank you for those who are contributing to my PayPal account for art supplies. I really appreciate it. You make all of this possible, and I hope to see you next time.